What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And y'all see, today I'm showing y'all wifey car on my channel. This and that. We just going over everything, going over the car and all that. But make sure y'all go check it out on her channel. Go check out her aunt reaction too. Y'all got to go see that, man. Her aunt that gave her the car, y'all got to go see her reaction, cause she actually saw the car already. Y'all need to go over wifey channel, Days with Kendra. Make sure to subscribe, show us some love. She be putting that work in too and all of that. So man, we finally got the car back, and you know, we're gonna go and get it finished up and all that. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, so here we go. This is it right here. Ain't did nothing to it, none of that, ain't touched it. Pretty straight little job. Got to shout out to Don't Panic. Like I said, pretty straight little job. I know y'all can't see it because in the evening can't see it good, but it's the same color. This and that. We're going to get all this done. Well, see, all that got to be clean. The windows and stuff got to be clean. We're going to change the wheels. She going to put some rallies on it. All of that. Y'all know the interior got to get done. Get her music. Get her music on. Oh, it's a lot of... It's on... It overspray in here too, y'all, but you know, we have to do a lot of cleaning. Look at this overspray on the radio too. It's a lot of overspray in here, but gonna have to get it back and out real good for her. She gonna drive like this for now, cause it took a minute for her to get it back, so she don't wanna take it straight to the interior shop, and you know, it been gone. It was gone. I think let's think. See. April, May, June, July, August, September. 7 months. So, you know, she want to drive a little bit, and I was like, we'll just wait to go to the interior shop. But she going to go to the interior shop this month. Well, not this month, this year, I should say. Toward the end of the year. Then the marker light, because I know y'all be noticing everything. The marker lights, I found them after the fact, but what I'm going to do, it's a little rough right there. But anyway, what I'm going to do is get GM sell some, not GM, but back in the day, if you didn't want the light, they sell a piece that's solid metal, and you actually cut this out and weld it back in there, and it looks solid metal. So gonna get them put on there, and then, you know, get it to match or whatever. Then man, y'all know I ain't saw this thing on here in a minute. I ain't even popped it. Woo, boy. Well, we gotta I'm gonna have to clean this, man. I'm gonna have to clean this. Y'all know, did the crate engine, y'all, but it covered in overspray. But I mean, y'all have to go back and look at the 30-day V8 bill and see. I put this in here. She ain't even drove it yet. We took it to matter of fact, I'm gonna have to get my fan Rick over here. He gonna fine tune this stuff. I gotta get this bolted up too, and it's just full of water. It probably rain in it, but I'm gonna take that out, dump it out. But I don't know, man. I hope the pressure washer and that super cleaner get this off. But I don't know. I'm gonna call my bro Jarvis and ask him where to get this stuff off. Cause we got to clean this. Y'all remember I had all that painted black, man. We had laid that flat, that good paint job on it. We got to put the fan shroud on too. I'm getting fan Rick over here just to touch up, make sure she good. Just put the fan shroud piece on, and you know, check time. Just get it running crispy, and all that stuff. And I crunk it up earlier. It got a transmission leak in the line. It got a leak, man, a bad leak right here in the middle. It's squirting out. It's squirting out in the middle. I had some oil dry, put some oil dry down and stuff, but I don't know. But this, we'll get that all straight, man. But she got it back. Gotta get her emblem right there too. But she got new headlights and stuff. She got new LED. Well, they ain't plugged up. I gotta plug them up too. Yeah, they ain't plugged up. But I do that tomorrow, getting the eating time. But I had to show y'all the car on my channel too. But y'all see a little stuff gotta be done, a little cleanup stuff, called. Like I said, I gotta get all that overspray out. But she got all new. Well, they came off the other header panel. New headlights and stuff. I'm gonna get the tail lights. They just didn't have none in stock at the time. Then we gotta get these two. I gotta see if that'll come clean on the arm, cause that paint and these arms some good, so I gotta see if we can get that off. Windshield, getting a new windshield put in. Like I said, it ain't finished, man. It need cleaning. See all this stuff. It's overspray on everything. It is on the windows. This still gotta be clean though. I hope it come off. I hope it come off. Cause you can get every glass for this car except this side windshield. But I hope all that, especially the engine, man. There's a lot of overspray. But you know, wifey happy. I mean, I'm gonna make sure at A1. I ain't really just thoroughly looked everything over yet though. Or looked at it up close. And, well, it's a little rough right there. I don't know why I like that. But anyway, I ain't just really looked over everything. Cause I say ain't had time. It got dropped off when we in North Carolina. But like I said, it looked better than it did. She got new locks and all that stuff. See, I gotta see that come off the tail light stuff. But anyway, I'm showing y'all this, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we taking in. So y'all see, I got everything uncovered over. I backed Dolo back there, but I got everything uncovered, man. Y'all probably wondering why. Cause I got my bro George from JMalcom come over here. He made it over here to the house, and we gonna get the whole fleet painted. I told y'all JMalcom gonna wet up everything. So we got Dolo, and I already got colors picked out for everything. So y'all it's just gonna be a surprise. So I'm finna get him to paint everything, man. We're gonna take care of everything at one time. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten him out, and then whenever he call and say he ready for another one, I'm gonna bring him another one. And we already Bill taking care of and everything. So we're gonna get John Jones painted, Meach painted, and Dolo painted. And then the whole fleet gonna be clean. So we're gonna make some shake, man. We're gonna make some shake. Like I said, making it happen. Time to get to the cosmetic side of things, cause y'all know everything about running right. So we're trying to get to the cosmetic side of things, man. Like getting them clean. I know people want to see that too. Everybody not into going fast and all that stuff. So we're trying to get them clean and all of that, man. So that's what we about to do. J-Hall finna wet up everything. The whole fleet is about to be clean. I promise y'all. Meats. Well, y'all know what color meat's gonna be. That ain't no secret. But the other two, y'all don't know what color they're gonna be. But y'all know what color meat's gonna be. Meat's gonna always be the same color. This a lime gold pearl. I will be getting a new top put on. Same color. In the top actually was gold at one point in time, like the lime gold, but you know, over time it done faded and all that stuff. But he gonna get them right. He gonna get them right, y'all. Dolo gonna be clean too. They finna get their treatment. So y'all know big block power and Meach. John Jones is what it is, man. Y'all just stay tuned at the end of the year. I'm gonna show y'all them tickets. I'm gonna show y'all them tickets at the end of the year. For some of the people that don't know and some of the non-believers, I'm gonna show them the tickets. What it do. Cause I make these videos and stuff, but when I go to the track, I ain't been running the car. I ain't been running the car hard. Even on pump gas, I ain't been running the car hard, cause I haven't been laying down the numbers that I really been laying down. I have laid down before. And you know, we're in the midst of dialing in the shots. So I'm not trying to put all the power to it. I just really want to see what shock's doing with it. I can do that on 10 pounds of boost and all that. Just my theory is this: if I get my 60 foot to where it was when I was running it on a higher boost, and I get my 60 foot to do that on 10 pounds, that means them shocks are working all the way. So that's why I do what I do. So that means when I turn it up and hit it harder, the 60 foot gonna show enough to be some on point. So you know, that's all like, man. Some people be knowing. Some people know a little something, then some people don't know and think they know and all of that. But you know, it is what it is. But that's it. We're gonna do a whole video on Wifey Monte Carlo. I'm gonna try to get this stuff up, man, but it ain't looking good. It ain't looking good, man. I'll tell you. I asked Jarvis, I asked him what I can do to get it off, and he was talking about some compound or something, he said. He like, Jay, this probably ain't gonna do no good. So I like, I don't know. We gonna this shit gonna be a job, y'all. I ain't gonna tell no lie. It done dried and stuff too. Look at it. Then I like, man, I hate it, man. It's inconvenient, man. I might have to pull the engine out. Cause this junk rough, y'all. I mean, I don't know if camera doing it. I'm gonna put a before picture up. Y'all know I forget. If I didn't put it in the video, then y'all just remind me I'll do a net video. But it's gonna take some work, y'all. Like, just all BS aside, it's gonna take some work, man. So, and to really get in there, I don't know, man. I'm gonna do a video on this, cause if I bring it back to life, hey, I done did something. Cause I'm gonna take the pressure washer, but it just like the engine, man. You can't. There was a brand new aluminum intake. The valve covers were brand new. They came with the crate engine. It just makes you want to buy everything over. But damn, I mean, that's a lot of money there. When I got good part, y'all know I just had the alternator rebuilt for Wife and everything. The headers were new. Of course, they turn after you crank them up and stuff. But y'all know I bought them. Just go back and look at the bill, man. But I don't know. The thermostat housing, all this stuff new. But we gonna see. Man, I ain't even took this air cleaner off. Man, shit. I hope that worked. I ain't realize it'll get in there. I hope that worked, man. It's stuff in the carburetor. I don't know. We'll see when my friend Rick get over here, cause I told y'all I'm gonna let him fine tune and everything. If it ain't running right, then we know the damn carburetor dead too. Then this right here costs, man. This, I don't know, man. It is what it is. At the end of the day, it's a tax deduction. I guess I can look at it like that if I have to damn buy this stuff over. But anyway, but that's what's going on, man. I didn't record when J Hog got over here. We just talking business and everything. But I just turned camera on so y'all know that we about to get the whole fleet painted. The F-150, the motor is in the F-150. It might be back this week too. Everything might be coming back this week. Brown coat coming back. I'll be debuting that. We were talking about that. Brown coat coming back. F-150 might be coming back too. But it's the motor, the engine is in the F-150 though, the new Coyote. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I guess I'm gonna catch y'all later. I know I ain't talked to y'all 2 days, but man, I've been a lot of stuff going on and all that. So I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.